Okay, welcome to Lesson 1, Part 2, Solve Equations in One or More Steps. And this lesson is going to talk about the more steps part, mainly two-step equations. So we're going to solve these in 2 steps. And sometimes there will be even more steps, probably not more than 4. And the second step really isn't anything new. It's just we're combining our ideas of addition, subtraction with multiplication and division. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve the equation on the left, and just like with part 1, I'm going to ask you to discuss what you see with your group, and then I will explain what happened. So I'm going to go ahead and start solving this now. So go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, I'm going to erase all this. I need a bigger eraser. There we go. So, now, in general, whenever you are solving multi-step equations, it's best that you work with everything that does not have to do with the variable first. If there's a number multiplied or dividing the variable, you want to leave that for your last step, because you may have to deal with some fractions if you don't. So that means we're going to deal with this minus 4 first. So to get rid of the minus 4, we're going to add 4. So we get 2x equals 14, because negative 4 plus 4 is 0. We don't have to write that. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now I can deal with this 2 because there's nothing else over here with the x, just the 2. So we're going to divide by 2. And we get x finally equals 7. So on the right here, we have y divided by 3 plus 3 equals 15. And using the ideas that I just talked about, I want you to go ahead and try to pause the video and try to solve this, and then I will solve it step by step. So go ahead and pause the video now. Alright, the first thing we want to do is we want to remove anything that's not really with the y right now. So the divided by 3 is with the y, and we want to get rid of this plus 3 before we start dealing with our divided by 3. So we're going to subtract 3. So we have y divided by 3 equals 15 minus 3 is 12. Now we can deal with the y divided by 3. To undo the divided by 3, we multiply by 3, and we get that y equals 36. So this is solving in just 2 steps, and it's not really too much different than what you did with the 1 step. It's just taking it one step further, literally. So the next page have some examples, and I want you to work through these examples with your group after you pause the video, and then I will talk about the answers after that. So go ahead, pause the video now. And here are the answers to those examples. So once again, go ahead and pause the video, discuss with your group if you got the answers right or if you got them wrong, and discuss and see if you can figure out why if you did get them wrong. And then this will be the end of the video after you're done with that.